Here's an example where not all things are equal. This is off the other coil pack on the 84 Honda Magna. And this has a couple of different components. I mean, a lot of them are the same. You got a 473K 25 volt ceramic, 50 volt 10 microfarad, 50 volt 10 microfarad, 1633, 1622. This one is 153K, but it differs a little bit. Right here, you have a, I think it was a S2C1213. I might have got the first two backwards, but evidently it is a half amp to 1 full amp. A 2N2222 cannot replace this because this is a little bit more resilient, and I think the pin out is a little bit different from your base source and your collector. And then coming down here, this blue thing, let it focus, is a 2.2 microfarad capacitor at 20 volts, and then got a lot of resistors, got 102, and I think that one's also 102, yeah, 102, and then the one that's bent over in front of the green is also a 102, double check here, yeah, 102, and then this one is a 4700 picofarad or 4.7 nanofarad. Let me double check that. Okay, it has a 4700 pico or a 4.7 nanofarad. And coming back to this transistor, that is a 2SC, guessed to be a 2SC 1213, same dimensions. And then you've got a bridge rectifier. So the rectifier, I probably won't replace it. I should, but trying to find a rectifier that size without creating one, it's going to be a little tight. I haven't decided on that yet. And then I have not actually looked at what's under this thing yet. We got another Schottky, a couple of resistors, and these things are epoxy packed. Another HI-162. So there you go. Backside of this board is also really nasty, so I may have to rebuild it. I hope not. And if I do, I guess that's another video.